Okay, let's see example 3. Example, this pen is not writing properly. It's not showing well. Let me see. Oh wow, is it visible? I'm not so sure. Let me check with this one. 3. Okay, that's it. Example 3 is now we need to see if the number is with a negative. Is 2 negative 2y squared plus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. Let's see that one. Okay? So, what are you going to do? The first thing that is the variables should be on your left and the constant should go on the other side. How do you do this? We add 3. We add 3 on both sides as usually. As always we do that. And then we get a new expression, negative 2y squared plus 5y is equal to positive 3. See there, positive 3. Then you divide negative 2, negative 2, negative 2. Divided with the all terms on the other, also on the other sides. Both sides and all terms you should divide it by negative 2. Why do we do this? It's because we say the leading coefficient should be in positive and it should be 1 coefficient. Like the coefficient should be 1. So when I divide this, here I get y squared, which is positive now, and here is going to be negative 5 over 2 y, and here is going to be, leave the space because we need to add something, is equal to negative 3 over 2, and we shall add something here. Now, what to be added there? What are we going to add there? I say, if you do remember, the coefficient of y, which is b there, coefficient variable prenumeral without square root, which we say it is b. It is, so b is equal to negative 5 over 2. That is the value of our, this is the coefficient of y. Now we need to multiply by 2. We have already said, you say b times half and then you square it to be like that. So now, what is our b now? Our b is negative 5 over 2 times 1 over 2. And then we square. And then when we square, we are going to get, this is 5, negative 5 over 4 square, which will be 25 over 16. This is what we are going to have. So this number is the number that is going to be added on both sides. We add it on both sides. Yellow. Is it visible? Yellow. So I add with 25 divided by 16. And here 25 divided by 16. I believe you can see that. And then after that, this becomes perfect square, which is now we can complete the square. And we say is a number which we say y. Okay, let me change this. See, complaining about its visibility. You cannot see properly. So it is y. Now, plus something. What do we do? Or minus something, brackets. And then here it should be squared, is equal to this here. So what do we do here? We multiply by b. That means our coefficient is b. multiplied by half, we get negative 5 over 4. So this is the number, 5 over 4. This is the number that is supposed to be there. Now, here we say is equal, so if you do this, you end up getting this one. So here, what we do, we say our LCM, we do normal operation of fraction, 16, 8, negative 24, plus 25. Okay? Then, what you do about this, you say y is equal to, y minus 5 over 4 the square is equal to is 1 over 16. This is what you're going to get. And then I say you multiply by a half exponent. 5 over 4, you can multiply this square, so you multiply by power half, exponent half. So as you can cancel that off, and this is 16, 1 over 16, power half. Always I say power half is the square root. Okay? So here, cancel, the answer will be y minus 5 over 4 is equal to root, don't forget, plus or minus 1 over 16. From there now you can see, you say y minus 5 over 4 is equal to plus or minus 1 over 4. So you add this side with the 5 over 4. Why do we do that? We need to shift this number to the other side to get the value of y. So here again you say the same thing, because whatever you do on this side you should do on both sides. The other side and the other side. So as you can get the same thing. So now we say y, now on this side, left hand side, we will remain with y, and we say 1 plus or minus 1 over 4 plus 5 over 4. So here, the first answer will be 1 over 4 plus 5 over 4, which is equal to 6 over 4, which is equal to, if you simplify this by 2, 3, by 2, 2. Or, you say y is equal to 1 minus 1 over 4 plus 5 over 4, which will be equal to 4 over 4, which is equal to 1. So, in your conclusion, you can say y, sorry for bringing it up here, I believe you can see there. So, y is equal to 3 over 2 or 1. This is the value.